Hey guys, how's it going? Ghosty Rich here today with Mika. As you can see, she's just being extra cuddly right now because I just got in. I wanted to give you guys an update about the Corvette. It's still here. I'm still waiting for the twin turbo kit. Unfortunately, it's been 3 months of delays. Still waiting for a gentleman from Arkansas to ship it out to me. We're getting to a point where the good thing is I have a couple friends that might be able to go pick up the kit if unfortunately he just doesn't have time to ship it. Or what might happen, worst case scenario, I'll just fly down there and pick it up. We're getting to that point now. But as you can also see, I've been looking at possibly picking up a McLaren. I don't think I'm gonna do that yet. I just wanna get this wrapped up first before I start taking on any more projects. Because if I get a McLaren, then it's gonna be hard for me to delegate money towards this because I'm gonna wanna do the exhaust and put proper rods in it, and of course still have fun with that. And I really want to have this car ready to go for the car scene this year. So that way I can take you out to some events, take you out to the track, take you out to the drag strip, do a bunch of fun stuff with it. Other things I'd love to do maybe this year is work on the bike, maybe do a cam, maybe do a turbo on it. Who knows? I really want to start working on some of the projects here, but also if you have a car in mind that you're like, Rich, you should totally buy this car, tear the motor out of it and build the motor, build the car, and it would really interest you, let me know in the comments. I think it would be kind of fun. But at the same time, like I said, the biggest focus is I wanted to update you on this and update you on the McLaren video that I put up and show you a bit of Mika since she's been struggling to get back on camera, and let you know that progress is happening in the background. It's just taking a little bit of time, and once it gets here, it's all hands on deck. I've have people lined up so that way we can start shooting some really cool footage on this. Should see some other cars on the channel here, as well as a couple friends want to do some working stuff on theirs as well, working stuff. There we go. Shows you I'm running on zero sleep. I'm filming this at like 2 a.m. in the morning, and I think that's where I'm going to end this. Let's go ahead, stop it here. Thanks again for watching, and hopefully you stick around to learn some more stuff and I can learn some stuff from you guys. Peace.